Aurelia Probiotic Skincare's Aromatic Repair and Brighten Hand Cream is an exquisite, scientifically advanced hand treatment that helps to diminish the signs of pigmentation while deeply hydrating and nourishing the skin for brighter, softer, younger looking hands and stronger nails. Aurelia's powerful pigmentation complex, based on coveted sea daffodil, helps to reduce the size and density of pigmentation on the hands by up to 61%. Red algae extract helps protect chapped skin, while cassia senna mimics hyaluronic acid to boost hydration for long-lasting results. Our blend of essential oils has been designed to support both mind and body with a moment of mindfulness. Apply to clean hands at least twice a day, or as often as required. Massage in, paying close attention to the cuticles, and enjoy the stunning essential oil blend. As a deeply hydrating and nourishing cream, you can also apply to elbows, knees, heels, and other areas of dry skin on the body.